Hey, welcome to 2MinutesPy. Today we will see how to use Python's map function to process the iterables without using an explicit for loop. Have you ever wondered what you'd do if you wanted to apply a specific function to each item in an iterable without using a loop, particularly a for loop? You can use the map function to complete this task. You might be wondering what the map function is and how it can do this. Well, the map is a built-in Python function that takes a function and an iterable as arguments, applying that function to each item in the iterable, and returning an iterator object containing the results. This iterator can be looped over or converted into a data type, such as a list. Let me show you an example in which we have an add_to function that takes an argument, x, and increments it by 2, and an iterable named numbers. In the first case, you can see that the add_to function is applied to each item in the iterable using the for loop. When you run this code, you will see a list of original numbers that have been incremented by 2. Without a doubt, it is a good practice and a traditional approach that no one can beat. However, if you want the same task done in a concise and elegant manner, consider using the map function. The map can help you reduce iteration tasks and avoid writing unnecessary lines of code. Check this out. When you run this code, it will produce the same result as the previous one. So far, you've seen that we were working with a single iterable. You may be wondering what else there is. The map function isn't limited to just one iterable. You can actually pass multiple iterables, and the function will be applied to the corresponding elements. Let's take an example in which we have two iterables, first underscore iterable and second underscore iterable. This time we are going to perform the sum operation on the corresponding values in both iterables. For this, we have a helper function named add_numbers. Next, you can see that we passed the add_numbers function and both iterables to the map function. The output is the sum of the corresponding values from both iterables. So, whether you're working with a single iterable or multiple ones, the map function is a handy tool. Give it a spin in your next project, and let me know in the comments how it transforms your code.